Hi everyone, I'm Elijah, a fourth-year electrical engineering student. Together with my classmates, Russell and Ismael, we are going to show you how to build a simple start-stop control circuit with a light bulb.
Now, before we get started, these are the materials needed for this activity. 2 push button for start and stop, junction box, receptacle, light bulb, electric drill or Phillips screws, metal rock, electrical wire, plug, magnetic contactor, circuit breaker, and our 230-volt power supply.
Before we start, remember to always turn off the power supply before working on the circuit. Step 1. First, we connect the plug of the power supply to the circuit breaker. Step 2. We mount the circuit breaker on the rack together with the magnetic contactor. Step 3. From the live wire, connect the stop button, start button, and the coil contact of the magnetic contactor labeled A1 in series. Remember, the stop button is symbolized as normally closed, and the start button is symbolized as normally open. As you can see, the start button, stop button, and the magnetic contactor is now connected in series. Step 4. These 2 extra wires in parallel with the start button will be put in the normally open, also symbolized as NO, of the magnetic contactor. Its purpose is for the latching of the contact of the start button. Step 5. We now put the neutral wire in the A2 contact of the magnetic contactor. It is important to note that there are 2 terminals labeled as A2 in the magnetic contactor. One is on the lower side and one is on the upper side. In the receptacle of the light bulb, the red colored wire is labeled as the live wire. Next, the blue colored wire is also labeled as the neutral wire. Step 6. Fix the receptacle of the bulb to the junction box. Step 7. Now, we connect the bulb in parallel to the coil terminals of the magnetic contactor, labeled A1 and A2. Step 8. Fix the light bulb to the receptacle. Step 9. Plug the circuit to the power supply. Step 10. Once all connections are secure, turn on the circuit breaker. Now, press the start button to check if the light bulb turns on. Then, press the stop button to confirm that the light bulb turns off. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching!